Okay, here's that stupid glitch. And then... I'm inside!
Yep.
I'm not gonna say how to repeat this. Oh my gosh.
Right after the game loads, you can bug out though.
No! I'm gonna show this to thing. I was gonna show this to them. I guess it doesn't matter.
We don't know how to emulate it.
Yeah.
But right after the game loads, you bug out on Foundation.
Yeah, you bug out, and then you go in here, and then
you can clip through stuff.
Then you could open things up. And I'm guessing this is how... See, you can get to people's chests and everything like that. And this is the second or third time we've been able to do this. So, if anybody's been able...
Hold on.
If anybody's been,